Yeah, hello guys. Progress report for the completion of the AIT road by the prosperity governor. And Julius Berger, now that they do this job and they are doing excellent job. Like this place, they bad before, so they remove the asphalt with it there, they refill it again with a new stone base, and the thickness is very, very thick. So I am happy for the completion of this AIT road, Yanagwa. I am happy. So the prosperity governor is doing a great job, and Julius Berger, they are doing a massive work here. So guys, make sure they see the work. Let's go make sure they see the progress of this work. I beg, share this video as you watch, and because Bayelsa is becoming great again, and we will continue to promote Bayelsa on a positive light, because Ambassador Dr. Deidiri is doing a great job to help change the negative narrative about Bayelsa State. Remember, these one are the ongoing completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa. Ongoing completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa. So guys, let's go and see how far the work they go. So guys, you can see the great job we be say Julius Berger they do for here. This is the ongoing completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa, and the prosperity governor is doing a great job. So guys, let's continue to promote our state on a positive light, because Bayelsa is becoming great again. And you can see the thickness. You can see the thickness of the stone base, the first put, they put another one again. You can see this is taxpayer money truly in action. So you can see the great job that's going on here. So from there now, they prepare to come put asphalt on top. So guys, share this video, put it on our platform so that people will see the great job that's going on here. Remember, this one at the completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa. Ongoing completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa. Then from the front, they do the asphalt, they go. They don't lay the asphalt, they go for front, and the work is going on massively. And as the governor, they complete the road, they put street lights, they follow on. And Julius Berger, they are doing a great job. You can see the great job that's going on here. So guys, share this video, put it on our platform, and see the great job that is going on here. I am super excited. I am really, really happy. Yes, Julius Berger is doing a great job here. So guys, you can see great job. So let's continue to promote Bayelsa on a positive light. Great job. Great job. You can see the great job. Now also they see the asphalt they go on. The ongoing asphalting, the asphalt just see they go on. The work is going on massively. So massively. So guys, share this video. Not be just today for your room. They type nonsense. They say nothing's going on in Bayelsa. Nothing's going. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. A lot is going on. I am happy for the progress of this work. So that they bring more stone base they come. So the stone base they come, they lay and they follow on. You can see the great job. So now they put walkway, they put gutter, because gutter not did this road before. They introduce gutter now, they put walkway, and the job is going on well. So guys, share this video. Remember, now the ongoing completion of the AIT road, 9 BDs. Ongoing completion of the AIT road, 9 BDs, and Julius Berger, they are doing a great job. Now you can see they remove the asphalt where they put for here, remove one. Now they put double layer of stone base. They are putting double layer of stone base. Afternoon there of stone base. Now you can see the great job. You can see the great job. So guys, please, let's continue to promote our state on a positive light. The government is doing this job and it's doing well. Government is continuity. I am super excited with what I am seeing in Bayelsa State. You understand? Like I said, this one are the ongoing completion of the AIT road, Yanagwa, by the prosperity governor. Yeah. Great job, great job, great job, great job.
Doye diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Doye suwe me governor, no be mistake. Lawrence Orijagbo suwe me deputy, no be mistake. Nana we dobara o. Jehovah get dobara eh. Nana we dobara o. If you believe there is God, don't challenge his will. He has put a stamp on it, you better obey the Lord. Doye diri suwe me governor, no be mistake. Suwe me governor, no be mistake. Nana we get over, Jehovah get over.